The next stop is 8th Avenue. Transfer here for the A, C, and E trains. This is the last stop on all L trains. 6th Avenue. Transfer here for the 1, 2, 3, 9, F, and V trains. Connection is also available to PATH. 14th Street, Union Square. Transfer here for the 4, 5, 6, N, Q, R, and W trains. Ladies and gentlemen, because of the Stillwell Avenue reconstruction project, N trains are terminating at Gravesend 86th Street, and Q trains are terminating at Brighton Beach. For direct service to Coney Island, Stillwell Avenue, please transfer here for the W train. That is the only train terminating at Coney Island. Bedford Avenue. Lorimer Street. Transfers available to the G train. Graham Avenue. Myrtle Avenue. Transfers available to the M train. Broadway Junction. Transfers available to the A, C, J, and Z trains. Rockaway Parkway. This is the last stop. This is the last stop on all L trains. This is a L train, 14th Street, Canarsie Local. Ladies and gentlemen, because of a stalled L train in front of us, we are being held momentarily. Thank you for your patience. Please step all the way into the train. Use all available doors. Please take your newspapers and personal belongings with you. Please let them off first. Let them off first. Use all available doors. Ladies and gentlemen, we're being held momentarily. We should be moving shortly. Thank you for your patience. Please do not block the doors. Please stand clear to closing doors. Step in and stand clear to doors, please.